Good evening, weather fans. Zach's Weather Shack here with you on this cold and cloudy 12th of February 2021. So let's get into this upcoming ice event we have here tomorrow. This is the North American model you see on your screen, valid for Saturday, 9 a.m. So this is 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're going to start to see some sleet work our way into the area here in central Maryland, southern Maryland seeing some consistent freezing rain. And eventually we're going to see the bulk of this precipitation work its way north. As you can see, southern Anne Arundel County and southern Maryland in some serious, significant freezing rain at this time. Now, up here in northern Anne Arundel County, Baltimore City, and Howard County, it is still very light sleet, but what we could see in the end from this is if this verifies just a little bit north, then northern Anne Arundel County, Baltimore City, and Howard County is going to see some significant impacts from some moderate to heavy freezing rain, if it verifies just a little bit north, as the models have been the rest of the season. So if we take a look at our surface temperatures at 2 p.m. on Saturday, when the bulk of this precipitation looks to arrive, as you can see, 28 degrees, 29 degrees, easily freezing temperatures for freezing rain. And if we take a look at when the storm finally gets out of here, this is 7 p.m. Saturday. You could still have some scattered freezing rain showers throughout the night, but the bulk of this storm looks to be out of here by 7 p.m. Saturday. Here's the total precipitation from the storm. You can see northern Anne Arundel County, Baltimore City, not a lot right now, according to this model, the North American model, about 0.10, 0.07 to 0.10, but you can see not very far south we have 0.35, so like I said, if that verifies just a tad north, then that makes a huge difference on impacts, power outages, slippery roads. We'll really have to see if the models keep trending more north or verify north as they have been all season. Now, if we take a look at my February 13-14 ice accumulation impact forecast, so this is valid, again, 8 a.m. Saturday is when the storm looks to start, and it doesn't get out of here probably completely until early Sunday morning. Northern Anne Arundel County, this is this area right here. I have slippery road and side streets, isolated power outages, and 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch ice accumulation for northern Anne Arundel County, Howard County, Baltimore City. That's what we're looking at impact-wise for these areas. Now, southern Anne Arundel County, South DC, oh, that was pretty bad. This area right here, we're looking at ice-covered roads and streets, scattered power outages, and 2/10 to 4/10 ice accumulation. That's a pretty significant ice event there. And like I said, if this verifies just a tad north, then we're going to see those type of impacts here in northern Anne Arundel County and Baltimore County, Baltimore City. So here in the red, southern Maryland, where the bulk of the precipitation looks to occur, we have quite thick ice on roads and streets, widespread power outages, and up to maybe a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of ice accumulation. So we'll have to keep a close eye on where the bulk of this precipitation looks to occur here in Maryland to base our impacts off of that. But like I said, just a slight shift north, and northern Anne Arundel County could be in a real significantly impacted from this. So we'll keep a close eye on it. Beyond this, we got, so this is the GFS model, the most reliable mid-range model this season. I know that sounds really weird, but that's the case. This is February 16th, Tuesday, February 16th. Look at this monster. Man, if this verifies, this is a severe ice storm for central Maryland. Here's our low off the coast. You can see just bringing up that warmer air up into the upper air but our surface temperatures are still below freezing, so we get this freezing rain here. And this is just major. This would be major if this verifies. Again, this is a GFS model, the most reliable mid-range model this year. I know that's not saying much, but you know, this is what we're looking at. So if we take a look at February 18th, look at this, another moderate, major, severe ice storm for central Maryland. So we're not out of the woods yet with this ice after tomorrow. I hate to say it, but beyond this, beyond the 18th, the pattern looks to change a tad, so we might get out of this conveyor belt of storms, but this is certainly two storms, the 16th and the 18th, something to keep an eye on. So stay tuned. I'll have more updates for you later regarding tomorrow's storm. Thanks for watching. As always, ask any questions if you have them. Have a great night. Thank you.